We've just spent days looking at so many problems, but we've heard that some people are doing it better. We've just arrived here at a farm on the outskirts of Beijing in China. The farm's called Little Donkey. It's a model farm raising pigs and poultry in more humane conditions, in sustainable, eco-friendly conditions. You can see here that they're carrying out their natural behaviours. They're dust bathing, they're scratching around looking for tasty morsels. They're interacting with each other and you know, flapping, running, all the things which hens love to do.
The forest is producing the trees, the birds are producing their eggs and meat. Independently, you would take up double the space. Together, you're utilizing 2 projects together in the same area.
If all of Britain's chickens were kept in one place, it would cover an area the size of just 1/3 of the Isle of Wight. Now, think of all the forests that we've got in Britain. Why the hell aren't we keeping more chickens in the forest land and making that forest land work harder? That is a real win-win situation that we are singularly missing out on.
The purpose of the WSPA FEI Model Farm Project is basically to demonstrate that using traditional methods and using what China has been doing for thousands of years is actually okay. Consumers of the world are saying this is a good way. The government here is very concerned about food security, but the consumers are now more concerned about food safety. And they see animal welfare, humane slaughter, traditional raising of the pig is a friendly way to raise the pig.
我是希望结合我的专业，然后把这些理念还有一些信息更广泛的让更多的人知道。然后我觉得这是一个工作的意义。这个小毛驴它这个事情，就除了那个种植以外，它更多的也是想把这些理念传播到更多的人，让更多的人注重这个环境，注重动物的福利，注重那个蔬菜的福利，就是环境的福利，人的福利。
China's got a huge amount to teach us in the UK, and here is just one example.